Oh. Oh, yeah. Ow. Ow. Okay. I had some really bad mold smells. I know. I tried to get this, worked for a little bit. Mold smell started to overwhelm it. So it's kind of sparked this thing where it's like, I've needed to kind of, okay, this area, since I scrubbed it, cleaned it, green's coming through, very thin, crappy paint. This is what's really bringing the painting thing on. It was green. Like, this comes off, by the way. It was green before. Now I'm just like, okay, do I need to paint this stupid shit? I have dried grout. Look at this. This is the way it came. Also, the trim just sucks. Like, they did not do a good job on the trim. Some of it's really good. Some of it just, you barely try to clean it. It starts coming off. So I decided, because I'm cleaning, I'm basically doing a complete remodel. Wide shot. This is what it looks like before. It hasn't cracked yet. I just don't like the fact that it sounds like it is. Yeah, I don't know, it's gray. I like it. I'm definitely YOLOing this, but there's a big part of me that wants to reassign one of these switches, because this goes to the light/combo switch. I would like for this to be the light, because when I reach in, it's like the first one that I always go for. And then I'd like for this one to be the fan. I don't even think I have access to it, because I gotta run wires from there all the way over here down into the wall. And I don't think I can. I mean, I am skinnier now, so maybe I can crawl up through there, but I just don't see that happening. The one thing I am fairly certain of is that it's at this point that I actually get to use power tools. So I like that. So I'm in my little office or water room. I'd have to crawl through this hole, through 3 of those, to get access to just where the power is being ran. Ladder's not long enough. Built an extra stepping step, and I've maneuvered a 2x4, which actually took a little bit of work to allow me to have something to kind of like rest on, I guess. And then I have a hammer to do this. It's all these sharp ass edges. And just in case I flip the ladder over, I tied the piece of string to it, so hopefully I can pull it back up. And I'm also going to be taking my cell phone to record, and just in case I get stuck and I gotta call emergency services and feel like a dumbass. Ooh, that's a tight fit. What the f am I doing? Is that good? Yeah. There we go. Now I can do it. I just gotta go arms first. Alright. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done in my entire life. I take that back, but it ranks up there, because I've done a lot of dumb shit. I think I can put my hand or my elbow on this piece of wood, because that's the wall that goes to the bathroom. I can't seem to lift up my butt just because of the way it is. Oh yeah. Ow. Okay. I'm officially within drilling striking distance. I know. I can see it. Why does that have a 20 amp to it? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna drill right here and add another one. All right. All right. Here's the drill. There we go. There we go. Oh man. All right, let's do it. Nope, gotta reverse. Where's the reverse? There we go. All right, gotta reverse again. There we go. And then reposition this so I can go down deeper. All right. It's called kindling. Yeah, there we go. Good to go. There's my water. There we go. I'm gonna drop this down here. Let's see how far I can get it to go. It's in there as much as I'm gonna get. I got the hole, I got the wire dropped. Fishing, it's gonna be a whole different story, but it's at least it's there. And I'm one step closer to having a fan separated from the light, so. Oh God, my balls are stuck. Okay, balls are there. Balls. Ow. Okay. Okay, over the balls. There we go. Okay, my ass might be stuck. Balls again. God damn. Where's that step at? Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm not even close. Oh shit. There we go. This is a big step right here. Oh, I need my phone. Oh, I found the step. Oh, yes. Oh, that step. That was the best idea I could have ever had. I can see light. I got feet on the thing. I just gotta like squeeze my way out. Okay. I am at 4 pounds, 65, 64. That is the only reason why I was able to squeeze through here. I'm just, just pointing that out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. I don't know if I ran it deep enough or if I'll even be able to get access, but here we are, 24. Okay, that includes the bathroom. Found that out. Sweet. This went to the fart fan, and this went to the light. So I'm gonna switch them, all lights, fart fan. Pop both of these out to try to see if I can see in there. I don't see anything. Most likely though, it's like right here. Here's another thing that I have gotten off of Amazon. Again, I'll try to link it. Like it really does, seriously, really does help when you do. This thing was cheap. My phone connects to it, and it allows me to take a quick look into the walls, assuming it's charged, which it may or may not be. Fishing this freaking line through, holy balls, that took forever. I'm not gonna lie. Long story short, I threw way too much cable and it got all tangled it up. Finally, I had to crawl back up there and then shorten the cable length and then pull it through. So got all that cable, gonna snap that off somewhere yonder, and I'm just gonna power through this and give you an update later. If all goes according to plan, my new switches and everything, if all goes according to plan, this one should control the lights, this one should control the fans. This is literally the first try. I have not tried it. Actually, I have not even wired the ground, but you know what? It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Let's see, lights. Ooh, all the lights are on, and fan. Nice. It's not even that loud. It's like 40 CFM something faster, I think, 40 or 30. Hell yeah. Acid. I just put this down, put a little bit of water down, get this spray bottle with some like heavy duty acid cleaner stuff. I'll show you here in a second. Now I gotta let this sit for, it says 5 to 10 minutes, I think. I've been at this for 2 hours. 2 hours on literally just like the first 2 bricks, squares, first 2 layers squares. The first 2, you know what I mean. I think I'm making a little bit of progress, but not like a lot. Can I use a sander? I don't know. Probably. I mean, how bad could it really be? I think that actually worked. I mean, wow. Or sanding. Holy bananas, that is way better. There we go. I know it all looks, you know, tiley, but it's all clean. Fast forward. Trim installed. And I got this, which are like totally uneven, but that's just the way the boxes are, so I don't know what to do with that. Got the sink put in. I haven't messed with the mirror or the light yet. I had to buy special light bulbs that were skinnier, medium light bulbs. It still has a standard, you know, base or whatever, because those would not fit. Ta-da! Painted? Moving on. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Light. Mirror. Painted. Definitely fast forwarded a little bit in this because I just, you know, I spent too many days on it. Not too many hours, just too many days, and a lot of waiting for paint to dry. I don't have the door on yet, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm gonna paint it or keep it like it is. But here is the bathroom. Those are uneven. All the caulking is a little weird, right? You look at it, it's just not clean. I have a new toilet paper holder coming, hand towel holder coming. Jeez, those are so uneven. It's not that this stuff is impossible to fix. It's that I'm done. Like I got a new shower curtain. Cool, it's all right, it fits. I'd have to iron it, but I just kind of YOLO'd the measurements. I was like, I think it's this tall, but I didn't really know because I just didn't really know. Honestly, I didn't even try to measure it, I just YOLO'd it. As you can see, it needs to be about 3 inches longer, give or take, which coincidentally is the story of my life. Either way, the floors are like cleaner than they have literally ever been since they are installed, because when they were installed, they had a bunch of grout haze and they just looked like they had poop smeared all over the floor. I don't like, because, you know, it doesn't match, but they're clean. Got my little 2-tone wall, got caulking everywhere, got the new light, look at that, look at that. Not too bad. Got the new fixture, I mean, you know, everything not bad, not bad. It's not 100% finished, but close enough. I'm happy, ish. Stupid curtain. But before I close out this video, I did have a picture right there, but it was ugly. So it's brown and I don't really know what to do with that empty spot. I know I need to put something there. I just have no idea. I'm terrible at decorating. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you for following this random project along. Like and subscribe and have yourself a great day.